What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Pause, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to create a niche traffic Pinterest pin just like this one, the one you're seeing right now, to attract new traffic to your lead pages, your lead gen pages, your landing pages, and to your affiliate offers. Okay, it looks difficult, but it's very simple to do. Just follow these steps. Okay, first thing you want to do is open up Canva. Okay, because Canva, well, they got a paid version, they got a free version. By the way, all of the resources I mentioned in this video will be down below. Make sure you check them out. Like I said, Canva has a paid and free version. I just use the free version. There's no reason why you should get the paid version because I don't use it myself. Then you want to scroll down. Actually, you want to scroll down and you want to open up the Pinterest pin creator. There's like a Pinterest template on Canva. Now you're gonna check this out. You're gonna wanna create a Pinterest pin just like you normally would, right? But you wanna make sure that the background is green, really important, okay? So you wanna leave the top part blank because you're gonna put a strong call to action there. Later on, I'll show you how to do it. And you're gonna keep the bottom part also blank because you're gonna have some animated stuff going on there to draw attention to your main Pinterest pin and its message. Okay, the headline is gonna be static, right? So for example, in this example, 9 fast and free ways to get blog traffic. Okay, so this is enticing to people who are interested in getting blog traffic. Okay, now again, you're gonna want the background to be green. Okay, you have 1,000 templates here you can use on Canva. Okay, feel free to play around with them and just click on the background and make sure it's green. Okay, now of course you're gonna want to make sure this is enticing to your niche traffic. To do that, you can use my Pinterest pin keyword finder to find out how people are searching people are searching on Pinterest. So let's say you're into I don't know, Japanese sweets, okay? And we have, for example, Japanese sweets wagashi, this type of Japanese sweet. I'm gonna put, for example, 10 Japanese sweet wagashi recipes to satisfy your cravings or whatever, okay? Like that. Now again, don't forget, you wanna get some branding down here. I have my site, Internet Marketing Gym. You're gonna want a blank space up here. I got a search bar here. And you're gonna want a blank space towards the middle or towards the end there because you're gonna animate things, right? And again, keep the back part green, okay, for the background, because I'm gonna give you some really cool tips here. Now, second part you wanna do is you wanna go to pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is your public domain resource for all things for all images, video, things of that nature. You want to click on videos, really important. And you want to find the type of video that you're going to use in your background. So let me show you my Pinterest pin again. My Pinterest pin. I don't know why I X'd out of that place. I should show you the background real quick, because I find that these types of pins, these types of video Pinterest pins perform best. Again, this is a very easy way to get niche traffic to your site, and the best part is it's free. Okay, you have to pay a dime for this traffic. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the volume here, and you see the background, right? The background's animated. I got the top part here. Click the link. I say free method. Click the link, free method. Again and again and again. So you want to say click the link and whatever the main point of your lead magnet or the main point of your offer is, right? And the background, you can see it's I got the background from Pixabay, right? These are all videos you can use for your Pinterest video pins, right? Just click discover more, or you can just type in whatever your niche is. I put in city. I put in a city because my Pinterest pin is about, well, guess what? Traffic, right? There's a lot of traffic that goes on in the city. So once you download once you download the Pixabay video you want, you're gonna want to open up your video editor. Okay, so one of the best and most important tools I use is Filmora Video Editor. First thing you want to do is record anything around your home for just 30 seconds. But you want to make sure you're recording it vertically. Very important, okay? So I have this picture of a cat I recorded. It's not important what it is, just make sure it's vertical. Okay, that's all you got to care about. That's a vertical video, and make sure it's over 30 seconds. Second thing you want to do is download your Canva image, your vertical image. Okay, like I did. I'm going to show you how to do real simple. Now, Filmora is a paid tool, but what it does for you, it goes way beyond the price tag. I believe it's $60 for the Filmora. It's a one-time fee. What it does for you is amazing. Okay, for me, it's one of the most important tools in my arsenal for profiting online. I highly recommend you get it. There's information about it below, why I use it. It has a ton of free music to use. It has a ton of different animations to use. It has a ton of transitions, of titles. Anyways, I'm going way and beyond. And it's very simple to use. It's very drag and drop. Just like if you're familiar with Canva, it's a drag and drop way to create images. Filmora is the same thing, but for videos, okay? So you see, it's like a cake. It's got layers, and it's very simple to use. First, I put in the music I want to use. I just drag and drop, right? I go to my media section. I add the things I want to use for my video, and I'm not using my voice, I'm not using my face, none of that, okay? All I gotta do is add for audio, pick the song I like, drag it down, drop it in here. And the vertical video I took with my phone, I add it here. The Pinterest image, I add it here. The Pixabay video with the background, I added here. Now here's a very important part. You see, you're gonna want to go to, remember, the background of our Canva image is green. Really important. Why? Because we created a green screen, and it's not techie. Don't worry. You just gotta go to Chrome key, hit this button here, and let me show you real quick. All you gotta do is increase the offset to 0, and that's it. The background disappears, and you have the Pixabay video in the background, right? But the main middle part goes untouched. Really cool. After that, what you want to do is add some elements that are animated. So you have all these happy, it depends on your niche, depends on your traffic. You got this approved anime here. You know, you just add the animated elements you want to your video. Just drop them here. So for example, I can add this, put it on top of this if I want, and just click export and create your videos. Very user friendly, very easy to use. Once again, here's the finished product. I don't know why I X'd out of that, but let me show you the finished product for my Pinterest pin video. Again, very easy to do, and I can't stress enough the reason you should be creating Pinterest video pins, because Pinterest is pushing videos hard. Okay, if you got a video pin and someone else has a traditional image, Pinterest image, your video pin is going to beat out that traditional image pin right now on Pinterest. Pinterest is leaning towards video. I mean, look at this. Look at these numbers I got here. 1 second. Let me go back. Real quick to my video pin section. I got this one. I posted just 2 days ago. 177, 113, 541 impressions. 234. This one's a dud. 42. I don't know why. 144 here. These are I posted these just days ago. Okay, and they're just jumping, climbing the top of Pinterest. What you got to do is make sure that the traffic sees your pin and clicks on over to your landing page. Okay. Now I'm pretty good with traffic, so I put together a squeeze page. Okay, and again, I'll have this squeeze page down below if you're interested in the ways I get blog traffic to my site, traffic that helps me convert to helps me convert my traffic to leads and sales. You want to make sure and click on over to that. Okay, but again, very simple to do. All you need is Canva, and just use any of their templates and just color the background green. You're going to want to use Pixabay for their free video backgrounds. Okay, again, public domain. You don't have to worry about anybody claiming that you're using their video. And of course, my not mine, but Filmora video editor. Again, I have all the reasons why I use it down below. So there you go. That is a surefire way to get traffic to your squeeze page, to your affiliate offers, to your landing page. And don't forget, Pinterest is one of the few platforms out there that will allow you to direct link your affiliate link, right? You don't have to use a bridge page, right? I'm testing with affiliate links right now, but I prefer to use my own landing page because when it comes to my internet marketing business, for example, I like teaching people what works for me, and it's very easy that way because I could send them off, and I do. I might send them off to an offer, an affiliate offer that I believe will help them, but I also want to make sure that I let them know what's working for me now, and that's what this offer is. I'm giving away 9 free, powerful, and relatively fast ways to get traffic to your blog. Okay, there you go. I'm giving you many resources here. Now, the only paid thing here that you have to get is this Filmora video editor to follow along. Okay, I used to have AVS video editor before. It sucked. I had a terrible relationship with that. It was clunky. It was buggy. It didn't give me all the features that I get with Filmora, and it was more expensive, which, forget about that. Also, very important, I almost forgot. Don't forget. I hope you don't forget. Treat Pinterest like a search engine. Really important, okay? It is a search engine, just like Google, just like YouTube, just like Quora. Pinterest is a search engine, okay? So you want to type in your keywords. If you can do it manually, or you can use my free tool, my Pinterest pin keyword finder. Use this free tool, for example. Let me put in baby showers. That's one of the niches I'm in, and it gives you the keywords people are looking for: baby shower ideas, baby shower games, baby shower ideas for boys, baby shower decorations. Before, I have to manually go out and copy and paste each long tail keyword that people used on Pinterest. Now I got this tool made for me, giving it to you. That's another resource you get. Okay, check all the information down below. You can pick it up, and I hope you use this stuff. Again, right now Pinterest is a free-for-all for traffic when it comes to video, especially video. Don't waste any time and get after it. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know down below. I'll be happy to help. Be good, take care, and talk to you soon. Bye bye. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.